Imagine a time when the African continent is split apart, a dramatic transformation unfolding over millions of years. As tectonic plates shift, the Rift Valley will fill with water, giving birth to a new ocean. This isn't just a distant dream, it's a geological reality in the making. Picture the world map evolving, with a vast body of water carving through the heart of Africa. This new ocean will reshape ecosystems, influence weather patterns, and alter trade routes. The planet is in constant motion, and we're witnessing the slow dance of continents as they drift apart. The future of our Earth is not static, it's a dynamic masterpiece, forever changing before our eyes.